Hey Dale, it's Todd from Learn to Grow Wealth Online and Wealthy Affiliate. Just got your link post here and got back from a delicious dinner in Playa del Carmen in Mexico. And so let's go over some things here. So what I was talking about the last time is domain name. We don't want siterubix.com as a domain name. We want a .com, .net, or .org name. And that should be pretty easy depending on what you choose as your domain name. But we want it to be brandable, catchy, short, easy to remember, and then we can talk a little bit about setting up your website. Since your site's not really developed too much, I just went with your About Dale page. And this will develop over time. You need photos about who you are. People need to see who you are and trust you and know you. But you've got a good start to it. I would definitely buy a domain name because if you're going to go anywhere with this business, it's got to have something that's more professional than a free domain name. So I'll give you a couple examples. You know my site, learntogrowwealthonline.com, and you probably know my therapyboy.com site, which is really what I should have started originally, but I went into promoting Wealthy Affiliate, which was fine because I've learned a ton of information. So, like, these two sites are great because this is like a beginner site. I've got 7 articles on this site, and this is a good beginner site to show you. So, I'll change this theme here a little bit to one of my new themes like this, how this theme kind of pops a little bit more. So, this is the home page. This is a huge website, over 450 posts and 20 pages or something. It's quite big. But in this is my homepage. This is what I'm promoting, the various things online that I promote: drop shipping, affiliate marketing, surveys and stuff. And then, of course, this is my blog roll. So this is a really clean homepage. And then, of course, it has an email opt-in for people to opt into the site. The actual site, the blog, you can see it's quite lengthy. But I just added this photo in today because it's just a little bit more personal. Just instantly tell somebody who I am and what I'm about. And then these are all my blog posts, here. And that's just a pop-in to get people to come into my email marketing system or directly into Wealthy Affiliate. So you can see this is one page of 57. So a different website. What you're going to look for to start out with, this site started out exactly like this site. It had an About Me page, a disclosure, and then some basic pages about what the site was about. This I just chose various topics when I first started this. These are all posts that are targeted for specific keywords. This one is height adjustable standing desk and stand tall review. This is chronic lower back pain treatment. This is low back tracks review. Those are the keyword phrases that I'm targeting. And if we take this one, for example, and we throw it in Google, I haven't done anything with the site. It's very small, but this one's ranked pretty well. I don't know if it still does, but we'll see if it's on the first page. No, apparently not. It's kind of lost some rankings. Here it is, Therapy Boy. So it's on the second page of Google, Low Back Tracks Review. So Wealthy Affiliate will teach you how to do all these things of ranking content, but this is the basic concept. We're trying to rank low competition keyword phrases, low back tracks review. And then this is my review. It's just an informative post. It's got a little bit of breakdown of the product. And then, of course, I compare it to a product that I like better, which is right here. And this is another review, the Invertibelt review. And I used to be in the top spot in that too, but I think I've lost it. But it's just, they're low competition keyword phrases. I'm not a genius or anything like that. I'm just targeting stuff that's not very competitive. And that's my site right there. So it's in the 7th position. So I could improve on the site, add more reviews, and get it. It was number 1 at one time, but I haven't done anything with the site for like 2 years. So the basic thing of it is you create these basic pages, like Fountain of Youth. This is just my concept of what I think is about therapy and healthy living and so forth, right? This is my About Me page here. A basic page about why I created the website, Hi everyone, I'm Todd. A picture of me. Something to let these people get to know who I am a little bit. It's not very long, and then we've got Painful Knots, Products and Services, Therapy 101. Like, this is basic therapy stuff that everybody should know, that you learn going through therapy school and any first aid course, right? So this isn't like the most advanced stuff. I'm just writing content and ranking it. These I'm not trying to rank. These are just about the site. All these other posts here, I'm trying to rank. And as I continue to improve the site, how to improve your sitting posture, they'll rank even higher. So I just chose low competition niche. It's a competitive niche, but I've chose low competition keyword phrases, long tail keyword phrases that have a search of like 300. Let's go to wealthy affiliate. Oops. Research. So how to improve sitting posture. That's the keyword phrase I'm targeting. I come here, I search it. It's got, well, one time it had pretty good metrics. It's got horrible metrics now. How to improve posture. Okay, so not the best example. Let's go to lift chairs for the elderly. So this was the very first post I did, and this is a great example because I got it to rank right in the first page of Google right away, and I actually made like $600 per year over the last 3 years of sales just because it ranked really well and it linked people to Amazon. I think I've lost some ranking in it, but it actually has a good amount of searches, a good amount of traffic. It's become more competitive over time. 117 competing websites, that's the QSR. That's the traffic you can expect. That's the average monthly searches. And the SEO, I like my SEO higher than 90. Higher than 95 is better. So I probably don't rank for this too well anymore. But at one time I did have good rankings for it. So I'm probably on the second page or third page. But you get the basic concept of this stuff, right? It's targeting low competition keyword phrases. I'll give you a better one. What is an affiliate website? Gets searched all the time, and there's me. Learn to grow wealth online. So let's look at the phrase. So 260 monthly searches, 45 traffic, QSR, competing websites 48, and a high SEO score. Above 90, I'll go for it. Below 90, I don't typically go for it. When I do go for it, I never rank, and it's a waste of my time. This page has brought me tons of traffic over the years because I just chose a really good phrase. And of course, I wrote a really good article. At least I think it was pretty good and pretty in-depth. And so then you should start using Wealthy Affiliates content. Where is it? Websites, site content. They actually will help kind of structure your articles. I don't use them because I've been doing this for so long, but it's good because they make you put in multiple headers. And this is a keyword phrase that I'm targeting. What is an affiliate website? So let's just take this and see how many times it's in my post. Right there is the title. Right there in the beginning of the paragraph the article to establish what I'm talking about. All we're doing is categorizing things for search engines. So we're targeting these keywords, but we're not overkilling them with too much of stuffing those keywords into places where it doesn't fit. It's all about quality content that helps the user. But at the same time, we do this strategically. So if you look, my URL is what is an affiliate website. Unfortunately, I was young and I added a money-making machine, the title of it, in there. But it's in the title. It's in the first part of the phrase. It's in the very first header. So come down here. In today's post we'll discuss, boom, what is an affiliate website exactly? And then it goes into the topic a little bit more. So then in there, I put it in a comment, or somebody put it in a comment. I put it in this reply, and it's in a photo as the alt tag in photos. I can show you that. And then I usually put it at the very end. How to build an affiliate website. So that's typically what I do. I use Yoast Seo plugin instead of the all-in-one SEO, which is what Wealthy Affiliate recommends because it kind of helps organize stuff. Here's the back end of this website, so you can see it in Yoast. I come down here and it kind of just guides me through and makes sure that I've got good reading analysis as well as the focus keywords. Maybe it's a little too in-depth right now, but the basic concept is that you're creating a website based on a niche. It's got to have a professional name that's short and sweet. Learn to Grow Wealth Online was not the best website I chose for a name. It's not that catchy, but I went with it. Therapy Boy is a much more catchier, much more catchy, brandable type of name. So this site is what I'll be developing in the future. I'll be adding a new theme on it to make it probably pretty similar to the theme that I'm using here. I use Thrive themes. I love them. If you need to get, if you take this further, you should definitely consider them just because they have so many other features like this opt-in for email opt-ins and for increasing sales conversions. So I don't want to give you too much information right now because I don't want to overload you, but in general, we just start out with a real clean, this is a free theme. It's just a simple free theme, very clean, and it's like build your basic pages out and then start targeting keywords. And you've got to learn that by going through the classes. So, I mean, of course, I can explain it all to you as well, but I've kind of already done that, a little bit, but that's the gist of it. So with your site, what we need to do is you probably need to decide if you're going to go with a site rubric site or if you're going to go with one of the other domain names that you have. And then if you got to go with something that you obviously like and that represents your niche. So I read through your About Dale page, and I think it's a good start. You've got the right intention of helping people out, and I think it's just a matter of going through the training and taking the time to go through that training and then take the actions on making the post. I mean, my About pages, oh God, it's changed drastically over time. This page has changed quite a bit over the last couple of years. But even when I first got started, it was about the same size as yours, and here it is almost a 1,500 word article, and I think I actually cut a lot of it out. So you can be a little bit more wordy when you're writing because content is the key. We need content for search engines to categorize and rank our stuff. So that's it for this, I guess, this training. If you have any follow-up questions, let me know. I'd be more than happy to explain more about it, but it's basically get your basic pages about, then start targeting posts. And with that, if you look at like my blog roll here, you can see the keyword phrases. Either they're reviews, what are, or how does things work. That's what I targeted. Global Test Market Survey Review, that's what I targeted. YoungGov Survey Review, that's what I targeted there. Prolific Academic Review, or I also targeted I think I targeted what is Prolific AC. Yeah, I targeted this. What is Prolific AC about? And again, if you take that and you look at the metrics in Wealthy Affiliate, you'll see why. 948 people searching this phrase per month, traffic 162 to my site if I get ranked #1, and 13 competing websites and a high SEO score. How does it sit in Google? I think it sits okay, like in 3rd position. I guess I lost a few today. I'm in 5th position. So, that's what we want. We want to get these top spots here so people click on this and they go, let's check out this product. Let's review it. Okay, it's not bad. Here's my top recommended product. This is a landing page, essentially a review of Wealthy Affiliate. I take people down to the bottom here, or I have an opt-in right here. Become awesome in online business. This is a landing page for people to opt in for email. Boom, put in your email, join my email system. And it's all basically one gigantic funnel to bring people to the affiliates that I recommend, which, of course, Wealthy Affiliate, and there's a handful of them. So this would obviously take people to my Wealthy Affiliate review. So that's how all this stuff is set up. Get them from traffic in the middle of a buying stage, hopefully at the end of the buying stage, show them a good product. That's what it's all about. In my therapy site, same thing. I'm taking somebody here. Do you need a height adjustable desk? Does that help? Okay, great. This is a Veridesk review from Learn to Grow Wealth Online I did. And then, of course, I take somebody to, in this situation, to Amazon. Well, I should have. On this, I think I wanted to wait until this ranked a little bit better. But this Veridesk review is from Learn to Grow Wealth Online, and of course I link back to that review you just saw. But then, of course, I link people to Amazon. So I hope this has been helpful. If you have any questions, give me